Cash advance apps that report to credit bureaus are different from traditional borrowing because credit reporting depends on the specific app, product, and reporting partner involved. By the end, you'll know how credit reporting works with cash advance apps, what features to check before signing up, and how to compare these apps without relying on marketing claims. The first thing to understand is that many cash advance apps are designed around accessing earned income or short-term funds rather than building credit through a standard loan. That means you should not assume an app will help your credit score just because it gives you money. A cash advance app that reports information to a credit bureau will usually make that reporting process clear in its terms or product details. Check whether the app reports payment history, account activity, or another type of information before using it for credit building purposes. The next factor is cost. Some apps may charge fees for certain services, optional features, or faster access to funds. Compare the total cost before choosing an app, because a lower cost option can be more useful than one with extra features you do not need. Another thing to check is how repayment works. Look for the repayment date, the payment method, and what happens if your balance is not available when repayment is scheduled. Understanding these details helps you avoid surprises. You should also review the app's eligibility requirements. Some apps connect to your bank account, verify income information, or require specific account activity. The approval process can vary, because each company uses its own requirements. When comparing apps, focus on 3 questions. Does the app clearly explain whether it reports to credit bureaus? Are the fees easy to understand? Does the repayment process fit your budget? A cash advance app can be useful for short-term cash flow, but credit reporting should be treated as a separate feature that needs verification. Read the IP's current terms before creating an account because policies can change. The best choice depends on what you need most. If your priority is credit history, choose an app that clearly explains its reporting process. If your priority is quick access to money, compare availability, fees, and repayment options first. To summarize, cash advance apps are not all the same when it comes to credit reporting. Always verify reporting details, compare total costs, and understand repayment before choosing one. Your next step is to check the official terms of the apps you are considering and confirm exactly how they handle credit bureau reporting. If this helped you compare your options, subscribe for more simple breakdowns of financial apps and money tools.